Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to clear the cell formatting while keeping the contents of any cell or range of cells. So with that, let's get started. If you want to follow along, go ahead and open up exercise file 05.15 and you'll have the same info that we have on our screen. All right, so in the last video, we went ahead and we looked at the idea of using copy and then paste special. Paste special allowed us to copy the formatting from one cell and apply it to another group of cells. Now, what if you had this information here as we do in the worksheet labeled 2013 quarterly sales data, but we didn't like the formatting? Now, we could manually come and unapply all of the individual formatting by changing the color back to black, by removing the fill color, doing lots of different things. But there are a couple different tricks that you can do in order to clear the formatting. The first would be to use the format painter. So if you use the format painter for a cell that doesn't have any formatting, and then you apply it to the group of cells that does have formatting, it would be super basic and back to that original just raw data. So that's one option. Again, that would be, you would take a cell with no formatting, and then you would apply that to the group of cells that you want to keep. But by doing that, you would remove any individual formatting. Second, the second method there would be to select the cells that you want, and then you would go to Cell Styles, and you would want to go to this normal style. That too would kind of clear all of the individual formatting, and then you could start from a clean slate where maybe you would want this to be centered, and maybe you'd want to increase the font size and perhaps make it bold. You could make these bold with Control B, or these bold by coming up here and clicking on the icon, but there's different ways to do that. So that would allow you to clear the formatting. Now, what if you wanted to clear the contents, but not the formatting? So maybe you wanted to keep this formatting, but not the contents. If you wanted to clear the contents, the two options you would have there would either to be use the delete key, and that would delete the contents, and hit Control Z, or you could go to clear contents, and that too would clear the contents. So in this video, we looked at how to clear the formatting. If you wanted to clear the formatting, you would come up here. Well, let's say that there was some weird formatting. You could come here, and in a cell that basically has normal formatting, you could use the format painter to select that cell and apply the normal formatting. Or if you wanted it to be normal formatting, you could select those cells, then come up here to the Home tab, go to the Styles group, Cell Styles, and click Normal. Lastly, if this had a bunch of data, so let's just say that it had data, you wanted to clear all these cells but keep that formatting, you could do that either by pressing the delete key, and that would delete everything in your selection, or Control Z to undo. You could also right click with your mouse and go to clear contents. That too would allow you to clear the contents from your cell. So in the next video, we'll look at how to essentially clear both the contents and the formatting of a specific cell and the potential implications of doing that. So join us in the next video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.